Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the derivative of a function using the power rule. It's really easy, so easy that by the end of this video I'm going to solve some problems while completely distracted, so stay tuned till the very end. We use this function when the problem looks like y equals x to the n power. And so the rule to remember when deriving functions with the power rule is that you bring down the exponent as a coefficient and then you subtract 1 for it to become your new exponent. So here is our function, y equals x to the 7th power. Now, this is how you solve it. We're going to take y equals 7x to the 7th power and bring the exponent down as the coefficient. Then, we're going to subtract 1 from our old exponent in order to get our new exponent, making our answer y prime is equals to 7x to the 6th power. So that was pretty straightforward, so let's do something a bit more challenging. Here's the function. What is the derivative of y equals 1 over x to the 2nd power? I'm going to give you a few seconds to solve this problem, or you can just pause at this point in the video in order to solve it yourself. Well, I think that's been about 10 seconds, which should be enough. So, you can take y equals 1 over x to the 2nd power and rewrite it as x to the negative 2, because when you derive functions that have exponents on the bottom, their reciprocal are negative exponents. Your answer would then be y prime is equal to negative 2x to the negative 3rd power. Now, notice how it's not to the negative 1 power, because if you put that, that would be wrong. You have to remember that you are subtracting 1 from the old exponent, and since that the old exponent is negative 2, when you subtract from a negative, you're going to add, so your exponent is negative 3. You can also rewrite it to look as y prime is equal to negative 2 over x to the 3rd. That way it would resemble the original function. For our third example, we're going to do something that can be a bit confusing. So here's our problem. What is the derivative of y equals the square root of x? Now, something to remember with this is that the square root of x is equal to or the same as taking your x and putting it to the half power, or to the half power. So, we can rewrite our problem as y equals x to the 1/2. And then you're just going to solve it like how you would solve any other regular derivative problem. So then, derivative problem using the power rule. So then your answer would be y prime is equal to 1/2 x to the negative 1 to the negative half power, because you're subtracting 1, and a half minus 1 equals negative half. Okay, so basically in order to derive a function with the power rule, you are going to 1, bring down the exponent as a coefficient, and then 2, subtract 1 from the original exponent for your new exponent. And you're done. Deriving with the power rule is very important, and it's eventually used in chapter 3 when you need to find increasing and decreasing intervals on a graph, or even a bit more complicated when you have to use the second derivative to find the concavity of a graph. When you're ready.
F over x equals 10.
F prime equals 0.
F of x equals x negative 2.
Say that again.
F of x equals x negative 2.
Negative 2x to the negative 3rd.
F of x equals square root of x.
The f prime equals a half x to the negative half.
F of x equals 8x plus 5.
F prime equals 8.
F of x equals cos
Oh my goodness.
of 8
equals what?
Possibly.
Cosine?
Yeah.
F prime equals negative sine. Okay, I'm really getting my butt beat right now. Go.
F of x equals 4x plus 5.
F prime equals 4.
F of x equals 9 over x squared.
F prime equals negative 18 to the negative third power.
F of x equals negative 8t5.
F prime equals negative 40 t to the negative, no, to just the regular fourth power. Oh no.
F of x equals x cubed minus 11x squared.
F prime equals 2x. 2x to the fifth.
Wrong.
I know. 2x to the, oh whatever. 2x to the, say it again.
F of x equals x cubed minus 11x squared.
X cubed? Okay, 2x to the second,
Wrong.
3x to the second power plus 22x.
Wrong.
Minus 22x?
Yes. F of x equals x cubed.
3x second
Okay.
squared. Bro.